Hello and welcome to Service Bartender. My name is Oscar, and today we are going to be talking about one of the ingredients that is used the most at a bar. I'll give you 3 seconds to find out or think which one it is that I'm going to be talking about. So 3, 2, 1, sour mix. Yes, sour mix. That is one of the ingredients that is used the most at a bar. Now, if you guessed it, awesome. If not, you probably said simple syrup. Guess what? We are also going to be discussing a little bit of simple syrup. So for this one, goes into the sour mix. Now, we're also going to be talking about why make it versus buying it. Okay, so let's get started. Now, the reason of why make it instead of buying it, or why buy it instead of making it, right? Making it, for me, it's the option to go with. You're counting there the flavor profile of the cocktail you're going to be making. And you can tweak it however you want it to be. There are thousands of sour mix recipes, and you can make it the way you want to make it. Now, you can go ahead, buy one, and kind of like reference to the one you make after I give you a little recipe, and then you can let me know which one you like best. Anyway, so how do you make sour mix? Sour mix is simple syrup, lemon, and lime. That's the most simple way of making sour mix. Same amount of each ingredient: lemon, lime, and simple syrup. Now, how do you make simple syrup? Simple syrup is very simple. So, you actually have a sugar and water mixed together, and that's simple syrup. It's a ratio of 1:1. That means it's the same amount of sugar to the same amount of water mixed together. And then you got the simple syrup. Then you have the lemon, the lime, same amount, and mix it together, and that's sour mix. And trust me, it's amazing. It's very good. If you want the simple syrup to be more sweet, thicker, then you can add more sugar, double the amount of sugar to the water. So it's going to be a ratio of 2:1, and so it's going to be a little thicker and of course sweeter. Now with the sour mix, once you make the sour mix with the simple syrup, lemon, lime, you can add orange, you can add grapefruit, you can add pineapple, sour orange. So it's a multitude of ingredients that you can add to it and tweak it the way you want. Okay, so hope you enjoy this. Let me know what else you want to speak about, and we'll keep in touch. Thank you for watching Service Bartender. My name is Oscar, and until next time, take care.